Jai Shri Radhe Jai Mata Di. Hello, good morning everyone. This is Rahul Prakash from Best Stocks for today and tomorrow. So, guys, in this video, I'm going to speak about Best 25 intraday stocks for today's educational trading session, and we will talk about the last working day's result. So, let's have a very fast look on our previous last working day result. So, yeah, total educational trading costs I have provided you 54, out of which profit cost 51 and loss cost only 03. So let's have a very fast look. First stock was Indigo. Indigo from 1684 to 1660. Bata India 1506 to 1500. Lupin 1500. Lupin 1057 to 1061.95. JSW Steel 1400. JSW Steel 414 to 420. Infosys 1370.40 to 1376.80. Axis Bank 761 .40 to 767. Greenwell 935 to 959. RT Industries 1282 to 1289. Tata Steel 720 to 715. ICICI GI 1472 1462. Bandhan Bank 354.90 to 360. So this total these 11 stocks I have provided you in my YouTube channel. So out of 11, all stocks just outperform very well. Next stock is Mindtree. Mindtree 1891 to 1859. Infosys 1382 to 1390. Axis Bank 775.50 to 745. Eicher Motor 2685 to 2612. Dr. Reddy 4515 to 4405. Muthoot Finance 1292 to 1272.50. Reliance 2192 to 2127. Britannia 3479 to 3425. Daymart 3199 to 3114. PVR 1456 to 1415. Concourse 585.50 to 598.40. V-Guard 228 to 231. Tata Power 110 to 114.50. Apollo Hospital 2943 to 2934.50. Point Pharma 2458 to 2440. Bajaj Finance 5599 to 5521. Adani Enterprise 917.20 to 923.80. Titan 1491 to 1507.80. SBIN 389.45 to 377.50. Apollo Hospital 2965 to 3031. Apollo Tag 244.90 to 237. Next, Reliance 2152 to 2156.70. DLF, DLF was in loss. Cummins India 886 to 880.30. SBIN 379 to 382. So this total 36 stock I have provided you for the educational trading session of equity cash calls only. Now next is Bank Nifty. Let's have a very fast look on Bank Nifty trades. Bank Nifty 36,500 key calls, 500 to 557. 35,900 key put, 327 to 1,060. 36,900 key call, 367 to 385. 35,900 key put, 355 to 1,060. 37,000 key call, 320 to 349. 36,700 key call, 455 to 463. 15,200 key put, 103 to 330. 15,150 key put, 95 to 299. 36,500 equals 460 to 464.80. I am considering this in loss because I have not expected only 4 rupees, 4.80 rupees gain. So I am considering the Bank Nifty 36,500 call in loss. So next is option. Yeah, I have a very fast look on option trades. UPR 630 call 25.60 to 27.65. Lot side 1300 quantities Dabur 530 ki put 9.70 to 80 to 11.45, lot size 1250. Bajaj Finance 5600 ki call 182 to 217.55, lot size 250. Now I have a fast look on future trades. Axis Bank Ford 776 to 740, lot size 1200 quantities per lot. Muthoot Finance 1290 to 1264, lot size 750. Titan Ford 1491 to 1515, lot size 750. SBIN Ford 391.20 to 378.20, lot size 3000 quantities. DLF Ford 313.20 to 314, lot size 3300. SBIN Foot again 380.70 to 383.50, lot size 3000 quantities. So this was only all about our previous working day result. Now have a very fast look on today's trading educational course. So just wait for a minute. So if market opens flat or positive, only then we have to move with my trading ideas. Otherwise, just quit. You don't take trade if market opens negative or market opens at a huge gap down or gap down. So have a very fast look on today's educational trading session course. So first stock for today's intraday is HUL. From Nifty 50 I have selected three stocks. First one is HUL. We can go for the buy side in HUL. Only about 2211 for the target of 2220. Next stock is Infosys. We can go for the buy side in Infosys. Only about 1375. Britannia, we can go for the buy side in Britannia. Only about 3442 for the target of 3455 to 60. Divis Lab, we can go for the sell side in Divis Lab. Only below 3500. From Nifty IT, I have selected Tech M. Tech M, we can go for the buy side in Tech M. Only above 1005. From Nifty Next 50, we can go for the buy side in Bajaj Holdings and Investment. Only about 3620. Then if you found any dip around to 3610 also, then also you can enter in Bajaj Holdings and Investment. So next trade is Oracle Financial Services, OFFS. You can go for the buy side in OFFS, only above 3205. Next is Petronet. We can go for the buy side in Petronet, only above 242.50. Adani Green, we can go for the buy side in Adani Green, only above 1165. From Nifty Bank, we can go for the buy. Just wait. So from Nifty Bank, we can go for the buy side in Kotak Bank, only above 1935. For the target of 1950. VBL, we can go for the buy side in VBL, only above 980. Next, from Nifty Free Mid Cap, we can go for the buy side in Castrol India, only above 130. Just wait for the price action, only then you can go for the buy side in Castrol India, only above 130. Next stock is Endurance Tech. We can go for the buy side in Endurance Tech, only above 1407. 1407. Next stock is Adani Total Gas. We can go for the buy side in Adani Total Gas, only above 746. Or you can also enter at 740. Wherever you get the first dip, you can enter at the first dip. Okay, so next stock is Prestige. We can go for the buy side in Prestige, only about 293.60. Next stock is Godrej Agro. You can go for the buy side in Godrej Agro, only about 488. Gujarat State Petronet. You can go for the buy side in Gujarat State Petronet, only above 288. Oberoi Realty. We can go for the buy side Oberoi Realty, only above 558.60. Next is Whirlpool India. We can go for the buy side in Whirlpool India. Only above, only above. Just wait. Where is Whirlpool India? Yeah, only above 2415. Dalmia Bharat, we can go for buy side in Dalmia Bharat only above 1480. Adani Green, we can go for the buy side in Adani Green only above 1162. Yeah, 1162. Phonex Mills, we can go for the buy side in Phonex Mill only about 795 for the target of 800 to for the target of 800 to 805. Brigade Enterprise, we can go for a buy side in Brigade Enterprise only about 286. SBIN, we can go for the sell side in SBI Bank only below 385. So next stock is Tata Power. We can go for the buy side in Tata Power only above 114. Bajaj Auto, we can go for the sell side in Bajaj Auto only below 3775. Wherever you found the dips and the price action, only then you have to take trade. So the main thing is in trading, you have to just open your 5 minute candlestick chart, and wherever the three candles closes or closes in the green or in the red, or by that only you can predict about the stock. If the three candles if the three candles continuously closes in the red, then it means that that stock can go down. If the three candles continuously closes in the time frame of 5 minutes of three candles, the continuous closing of three candles on the time frame of 5 minutes, or if the single candle closes in the time frame of 15 minutes, then you can go for the buy or sell side. Only it determines the flow of the movement of that particular stock. So I hope you all are enjoying in my trading educational sessions every day. If you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel and to my Telegram channel, then I'm providing you the link in the description box. So go and join and subscribe to my Telegram channel and YouTube channel for the regular updates. So best of luck for today's trading educational course. So Jai Shri Radhe, Jai Mata Di.